GetResponse versus HubSpot Marketing Hub. Two leaders in the digital marketing arena, but which one really delivers? On the left, GetResponse, your all-in-one platform with webinars and AI promotions. On the right, HubSpot Marketing Hub, growth-focused marketing with a built-in CRM and automation. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what matters for your marketing stack. Each category earns points, so you'll know exactly who wins out at the end. The final verdict may surprise you.
All right, so here's a quick look at our mind map of categories. We're going head-to-head on price, features, ease of use, CRM and integration, marketing automation, analytics and reporting, e-commerce tools, and, oh yeah, support. If you want to see how these platforms stack up, keep watching, because each round tells a different story.
Let's kick things off with price, because, come on, who isn't watching their budget these days? Okay, GetResponse. Their entry price is sweet. $19 a month for 1,000 contacts, which, honestly, pretty dang affordable. Plus, unlimited email sends at that base tier, so you're not nickel and dimed as you grow. But hold up, if you need fancy features for a big team, the price climbs. Next up, HubSpot Marketing Hub. It starts at $20 per month for 1,000 contacts. So it's super close, right? But they stick you with more structured tiers, and the costs jump fast if your marketing ambitions go big. Oh, and their free plan? It's kind of restrictive. So if you're stretching every dollar, GetResponse squeaks ahead here.
On to features, the stuff that makes marketers drool. GetResponse actually bundles a native webinar studio inside. Yep, you can run webinars straight from your marketing platform. There's also a social ads creator, e-commerce toolkit with promo codes, AI product recommendations, and full A/B testing for sign-up forms. The catch? No built-in CRM, and it skips account-based marketing. Now, HubSpot Marketing Hub. This thing packs a robust CRM right out of the gate, plus ABM workflows, company scoring, integrated automation, and a shared inbox for your team. Tons of tool integrations too. The downsides? No webinar platform, which is kind of wild in 2025. And you need other apps for e-commerce promo codes and recommendations. Oh, and don't look for a native social ad designer. Feature-wise, both go big, but in different ways. So honestly, it's a tie. All right, but how easy are these to actually use? GetResponse puts everything on one dashboard with solid templates and smooth automation flows. But there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you dig into advanced stuff. The interface? Slightly less intuitive than I'd like. Now, HubSpot Marketing Hub steps up the usability game. It's got a cleaner look, onboarding is easier for teams, everything just feels unified, from CRM to marketing and sales. The flip side? Some integrations take a minute to set up, and you'll need training if you tap into their advanced tier stuff. Still, for everyday mortals, like most of us, HubSpot gets the win here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know GetResponse actually pioneered webinar marketing inside an all-in-one platform? Yeah, seriously, way before it was trendy. Let's talk CRM and integrations. GetResponse, it only integrates with external CRMs. No built-in CRM, so you kinda gotta piece things together. If you want full sales marketing harmony, you'll hit a wall there. On the other side, HubSpot Marketing Hub gives you a built-in CRM for free, plus an omni-channel shared inbox. Email, chat, messenger, and forms right at your fingertips. Their advanced ABM tools? Next level. Only catch is, a few integrations need the pricier plans. But no contest, HubSpot sweeps this round. Marketing automation, probably the most hyped category. GetResponse lets you crank out workflows for emails, forms, landing pages, plus smart touches for e-commerce. But I'll be real, if you want deep ABM or multi-contact B2B wizardry, they don't go as far. Now, HubSpot Marketing Hub, here's the fun part, they handle multi-contact orchestration with ABM, integrating your email, CRM, and even ads. The snag? You pay more for that spicy automation. And yeah, onboarding help is definitely needed. Both work hard here, but for most users, it's a tie.
Ready to geek out on analytics and reporting? GetResponse does the basics well. You get standard campaign analytics and A/B reports. But if you're running a huge team, customization isn't that flexible. Now, HubSpot Marketing Hub brings some serious analytics muscle. Business intelligence, target account tracking, multi-channel stats. Though you'll need the higher plans to unlock the deep data, honestly, you get a lot more. HubSpot takes this round.
Okay, for all the e-commerce peeps, GetResponse is a bit of a hidden gem. Native promo codes? Check. AI product recommendations? Yep. And their social ads creator is right there on board. Really slick if you sell online. HubSpot will integrate with your store, but for promo codes and product recommendations, you need extra tools. No native ad designer either. So GetResponse definitely rules the e-commerce space. And finally, support. GetResponse gives you 24/7 email and chat, straight from the entry plan. But heads up, no phone support. On the flip, HubSpot gives email and chat on its starter, yet the phone option stays locked till you hit the Pro tier. So depending on how urgent your ticket is, both have your back, but there's quirks. Honestly, this one's a tie.
Let's zoom out and see both platforms side by side, radar chart style. You'll spot GetResponse excelling in price and e-commerce, while HubSpot blows past with its CRM, integrations, analytics, and that signature ease of use. Some categories are neck and neck, but you can totally see the DNA of each product.
So, if you're going after affordable all-in-one e-commerce plus webinars, GetResponse is honestly a steal. But you know what? If your team's itching to scale, needs a built-in CRM, and wants the deepest automation, HubSpot Marketing Hub is going to save you headaches and time long-term. The real winner depends on your marketing style. Small biz or solo entrepreneur? GetResponse. Growth-focused agencies or teams? HubSpot. If you found this breakdown helpful, save it. Seriously, bookmark now so next time you're picking a marketing tool, you've got facts, not fluff.